What's going on, everybody? My name is Tyrese. If you're new to the channel, we talk about faith and finances, and today I'm going to be talking about what I just purchased in the stock market and why I did it, and we're going to be talking about why I'm still holding on AMC. So let's dive right into it. Let's open it up right here. All right, so this is AMC on the day, just newer lows, and honestly, it's quite predictable. Look at this. Higher highs, consolidating, drop. Now we dropped past the 200 SMA line, so the challenge is getting back up to that 200 SMA line and pushing forward. Can we see a potential floor slash support right here? It's a tough battle, guys. We're fighting against these hedge funds. You never know what could happen. But I do think we could get a strong support here today. Hopefully, nothing's 100% in the stock market. But one of the main things that I wanted to cover, there's this heavy sell-off here, heavy sell-off here, and we're due for a bounce. We don't know how strong the bounce is, how long it's going to go, but, as you can see, it's testing 200 SMA levels on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. And it's just getting rejected. It's getting rejected, and we need this push back, and we need to push above. So that's what we're waiting on. We're patient. I cut a little bit of losses to move some money around, and this is why I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you why I'm moving money around. So we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ feature /NQ. And let's see here. Look at this, guys. It is overextended, right? These were previous highs. We pushed back, which I can't complain. I'm thankful for a bullish market, but it has to correct itself. And you could see a potential correction all the way down to here, all the way down to the 200 moving average. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare. And so that's what I did today. I moved some money around. I know I'm stuck in AMC, not really my favorite trade right now. And I know I'm stuck in AV Point, which is a long-term trade. I've been talking about AV Point since the beginning of the year. And I thought it was going to be a lot more bullish, but we're just not getting enough movement there. But I'm still holding strong. But the market has been bullish for the past, month and a half, 2 months now, and it's time for a correction. You saw a small little dip here, and then it pulled back up. So I'm thinking we can dip back to previous highs, back to previous now what we call support levels, and that's a major 2 to 3% drop. So what I do to plan for that, there's a stock called TQQQ that follows the NASDAQ. So when the NASDAQ goes up, TQs goes up, and then there's a stock that is inverted, ETF. So when the NASDAQ goes up, this invert goes down. But look at this, guys. We have a potential profit if the market corrects itself, of roughly 15%, I would say, right? The last time it corrected itself, right, from here all the way to this spike here was 25%. So that's my goal. So I started buying. I have 125 shares here. So I started buying slowly so I can capture at least, the 15% possibility here. Now this is I'm getting in a little bit too early. There's no confirmation here. It's a little bit of risky play. You never know if the market is going to continue to be bullish or it's going to continue to, it's going to correct itself like it's done in the past here. And so you'll see this sort of consolidation, and you'll see a jump, and then all of a sudden spike, consolidation, spike back up again, and then back to a slowly incline. So that's what I'm hoping. I can hop on these spikes and then go back and ride the market back up. I still think we're in a bullish market. I don't think it's going to continue to downtrend, but I do think there is a correction, keyword there, a correction, right? When, and you know, the old saying, when something goes up, it must come back down, and so eventually we're going to come back down, and I think that's what's going to happen here, and I want to take advantage on the inverse play, guys. So let me know what you think about SQ. Let me know what you think about my mindset. If you learned something from this video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.